Hello, Ben from Quik Spray. Today I want to introduce the upgraded FTB system we have designed, which is around capacity and addressing OH&S issues with spray units in general. The FTB system we have designed to fit on single cab and extra cab units with tank sizes varying from 300 up to 800 litres. Now this particular model here is for a single cab ute. It's got the additional through locker, 400 wide through locker. As you can see, with this one, that's got optional shelving in it. The main locker or the standard locker for your extra cab are 1200 wide, bunded locker, ventilated bunded lockers. This one has got our Quik chemical transfer system, which is another option to address OH&S issues on the system. The system comes with a certified clamping system to attach it to the vehicle, which means once you've got the certified clamping system fit it to the vehicle, you can take that unit off on and off with 4 bolts from standing next to the vehicle. Makes it nice and easy. This, as a part of the OH&S, we have fitted an air gap filler as a standard, which means you don't have to get up on the back of the vehicle to fill with a hose, etc., or an overhead. You basically open up the tank lid. That's your tank lid there. At the back of the unit, I'll show you in a second, is a fill point where you attach your hose to fill the system up. All the controls on the FTBs are on the curbside and to some degree on the back of the system to keep people off the road. So your pressure controller with your pressure controller panel here with a valve for each reel, as well as for the Venturi fast wheel that this one's got fitted. Your engine start, your tank level is here, as well as your manual backups for the hose reel. As we move around the system, this one has also got an e-stop, emergency stop on it. And this is the hydrant fill or air gap filler that I was talking about. You just remove that, attach your filler hose, turn it on. So you got your tank gauge on, and it'll just show you when it's filling up, and then you can turn the water off when it's full. This has also got a Venturi. Again, it's down here, so you don't have to get up on the vehicle to attach suction hose. You do it here. The tank drain is also accessible from here. You don't have to climb underneath to do anything. You basically fit this, open up the valve, and then you take the cap off, or you take the cap off and then open up the valve, whatever works for you. But this handle is fitted in the locker, so no one can come and tamper with the system. The reels are your standard mechanical hose reels, so you can fit 100, 150 or 200 meters of hose on there. The Honda motor is what retracts your hose. It's a very strong system with an adjustable friction brake for your hose reel, for your hose tension, so that it doesn't spool on. Your filter is nice and readily accessible at the back there without having too much trouble getting to it. As we move around, the dry locker over here is again 1200 wide, and you can fit optional shelving. It is ventilated as well. So this is going to be where your PPE, paperwork, lunch boxes, etc. goes. As I said, to recap, an emphasis on addressing OH&S issues with eliminating the need to get on the vehicle with the Quik chemical transfer system directly from drum into the tank, and a certified clamping system.